Welcome, Ludus and Elastic fans. So today I was talking to someone and they needed a little bit more information on Elastic and Ludus. So let's see what we can do. So let's go to Docs, Environment Guide, and Elastic Security. So this will add the roles. So we can copy that. We can go into our Ludus box. Here's mine. I'll just do this. Actually, it's so much. I need to do a specific user. So, can I move me? I can. Cool. So I need to do user, and then I have a GoId user. So like, let's bring this over, and I'll copy this user. Let's move that back, paste it here. Okay, so we're gonna add that role for that user. Sweet. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab the other role. Kind of do the same thing. Oh. Great. And then let's do that. And then we'll do the same user, this user. All right, so now we have the container and we have the agent. So the server basically and the agent. So cool. What's next? And we're gonna grab this config. So here's the config, which basically has the container and has the agent. And I don't see it depends on a role, but we'll probably add that. So let me copy this, go back into Ludus, and we'll say nano elastic depends on it .yaml. Then we'll paste it. And why I say depends, so like we go pull this over, and there's this right here. Depends on basically this role container. So the agent container up here depends on this server being up before it can do something. So that is the deal there. So what I'll do is I'll copy that, and like here's that agent role right here. Oh, how did I do that? That's very interesting. Anyways, paste. Oh. Okay, let's get out of here. Back to that. Grab this, copy that, paste this in here. I'll just save it for now. And then what we'll do is we'll delete. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will see if I can copy this role out just from the website. Sure. Yeah, that looks right. We'll say that works right. So I'll Control O to write it out and press Enter. And then let's look up a little ways. Oh, there's another agent. Okay, fine. So let's Control K gets rid of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paste. And then this is the actual container, so we're not going to do anything with that. Okay, great. So that looks okay. So I'll save it out, Control X that, and then let's see what the document says after this. And then we'll set the configuration file. Seems easy enough. Ludus range config set file elastic dep. We're going to use that user GoId. So let's find what I did with that. All right, that's right here. So config for that user. And then Ludus range deploy that user. I'm sure that's basically it. That's what it says. And we'll go. So it's going, and it should deploy with that depends module. So let me pull over Proxmox. There goes GoId right there. And I don't know, 20, 30 minutes, maybe it'll be up and be good. So Ludus range logs f user this user, and you can watch it deploy, basically. So great. That's it. That's how you deploy Elastic on something with the module config from this documentation right here. This documentation. So that it depends on if this server container is up before it actually runs the agent. Because sometimes you'll have problems if you try to run the agent and there's no server to connect back to. So awesome, great. I hope someone learned something from today's short lightning talk, and looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks.